Most small businesses don't need more employees. They need fewer repetitive tasks. In this video, I'll show you AI tools that replace repetitive business work, saving you hours every week without hiring or coding. Welcome to AI Business Blueprint. This channel shows business owners and side hustlers how to use AI to work smarter and grow efficiently. Everything in this video is practical and beginner-friendly, designed to give you actionable steps you can implement right away. Let's start with the biggest time wasters that quietly drain your productivity. The first major task AI can transform is email writing and responses. Emails consume a massive amount of time for any business owner. You find yourself repeatedly writing similar messages, sending out pricing information to new leads, following up with potential clients, crafting introductions to network, and handling common customer service responses. This constant cycle of typing and retyping is a significant productivity bottleneck. AI replaces this repetitive task by allowing you to create a library of reusable drafts and templates. Instead of composing every email from scratch, you can simply select a base template and have AI customize it for the specific context. The AI can adjust the tone, add personalization, and ensure the message is perfectly suited for the recipient. For example, imagine a service-based business like a marketing consultancy. They can save 10 standard email templates for common scenarios like client onboarding, project updates, and proposal follow-ups. When a new situation arises, they can ask the AI to rewrite one of these templates instantly, adapting it for a different industry or a more formal tone. This small change in workflow means you're editing and sending, not drafting from zero every single time. This process alone can easily save several hours each week, freeing up valuable time for more strategic work. The next area where AI offers a huge advantage is in social media and content creation. For many small businesses, maintaining a consistent online presence feels like a full-time job in itself. The pressure to generate post ideas, write engaging captions, outline videos, and plan a cohesive content calendar can be overwhelming. Content creation is another major time drain that often gets pushed to the back burner when things get busy. AI helps businesses streamline this entire process. You can use it to brainstorm a month's worth of post ideas based on your industry and target audience. It can write compelling captions tailored for different platforms, from LinkedIn to Instagram. It can even help you outline scripts for short-form videos or longer YouTube explainers. This allows you to shift from a stressful, day-to-day posting schedule to a more efficient batch creation workflow. Faceless businesses, in particular, can leverage AI-powered content creation effectively. By combining AI-generated text with stock footage, simple text overlays on a clean background, or minimalist visuals and icons, you can produce professional-looking content without ever showing your face. Marketing becomes a predictable, manageable system instead of a constant, overwhelming chore. You can plan your content weeks in advance, ensuring your brand stays active and visible with far less daily effort. Customer support is another function filled with repetitive questions that can be streamlined with AI. Businesses frequently answer the same inquiries over and over again, which is necessary, but not a high-value use of a founder's time. AI can step in to handle a significant portion of this workload. It can be used to draft comprehensive FAQ answers for your website, ensuring customers can find information on their own. It can also be used to create instant, accurate chat responses for live support channels or to draft email replies to common questions. This dramatically improves your reply speed and consistency. As an example, an e-commerce store that sells physical products can use AI to manage a large volume of customer queries. The AI can be trained to instantly answer questions about order status, shipping times, refund policies, and product details. If a customer asks, "Where is my order?" the AI can pull the tracking information and provide a direct link. If they ask about the return process, it can explain the steps clearly. Customers get faster, more accurate responses, which improves their overall experience, while the business saves countless hours previously spent on manual support tasks. Beyond customer-facing work, internal admin, notes, and document management quietly slow businesses down. These tasks often fly under the radar, but their cumulative effect on productivity is immense. AI is exceptionally good at replacing the manual effort involved in these processes. It can automate manual note-taking during meetings, generate concise summaries from long recordings, draft initial versions of proposals or reports, and even help with formatting documents to maintain brand consistency. Consider a consultant who has just finished a 1-hour client discovery call. Instead of spending another hour manually transcribing notes and identifying key takeaways, they can use an AI tool that processes the meeting recording. Within minutes, the AI can turn the conversation into a clear set of action points, a list of follow-up questions, and a clean, professional summary that can be sent directly to the client. This not only saves hours of tedious work, but also removes the mental fatigue associated with processing and organizing large amounts of information. Finally, planning and prioritization are crucial for any business, but decision fatigue can be a real and expensive problem. When you're constantly juggling tasks, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of what to work on next. This is where AI can provide much-needed structure and clarity. AI tools can help businesses organize tasks, prioritize work based on deadlines and importance, and plan weekly or monthly goals. You can input all your pending projects, and the AI can help you map out a logical sequence of actions. Instead of guessing what to do next or defaulting to the easiest task, AI provides a structured roadmap for your efforts. This leads to better focus, more intentional work, and ultimately better results with less wasted effort and mental energy. The real power of all these AI tools emerges when you see how they connect and work together. AI is not just about automating isolated tasks. It's about building an integrated system that runs your business more efficiently. You can plan your weekly goals with an AI assistant. Then, you can use AI to create the content needed to achieve those goals. You can communicate with customers and leads using AI-drafted emails and responses. Finally, you can use AI to follow up, summarize progress, and plan the next steps. This creates a simple, repeatable business system that runs consistently with minimal friction. To recap, AI is here to replace repetitive tasks, not people. It frees you up to focus on the strategic, creative, and human aspects of your business that truly drive growth. We've covered 5 key areas where you can start. First, with email writing and responses. Second, with content creation for social media. Third, with customer support and FAQs. Fourth, with internal admin and document management. And fifth, with planning and prioritization. The key is to start with just one task. Find a repetitive process in your business, automate it with a simple AI tool, and once you're comfortable, expand from there. If you want more practical AI workflows designed for real businesses, subscribe to AI Business Blueprint for more guides and tutorials. In the next video, I'll show you how to build a simple AI-powered business system from scratch, connecting these tools into a seamless workflow. Thanks for watching.